Hello and welcome to my video lesson 2.1 on scale factor. If this is being shown in class right now, then hi everyone, and don't worry, I'm feeling perfectly fine, but have to do this just in case. So just want to get that out of the way, but anyways, let's get started with scale factor. So scale factor is just a number that makes another image bigger or smaller than the original. So it's often used in floor plans, in maps, in diagrams and designs, those sorts of areas, which could come in handy in construction or fabrication of some sort, or any sort of creating of physical objects. So this is a real life good application type of topic here. So an enlargement happens. That means making the image bigger than the original when a scale factor has a number that is larger than 1. So here we have a scale factor that is listed at 2. Alright, so I'm going to draw a shape. Actually, let's use a different color, green. I'm going to draw a shape here that has a scale factor of 2. So each side here, actually I'm going to just ignore that. So, whoops, let's just get rid of that. So each side currently has 2 and 2. And when we talk about scale factor, we're taking the side lengths, or looking at any part of it, the length of any part of it, and we're multiplying it by the scale factor. Okay, that's what we're going to do. So we have a side length of 2. So when we double it, when we multiply it by 2, we get a side length of 4. And same thing on the other side. We double it, and then we get a side length of 4. So with that in mind, our new shape is going to have 4 by 4. There you go. And now you can see that we have 4 here, and we have 4 up here. And that's all it is to scale factor. So you can go one way, getting bigger, or you could potentially be getting smaller. So let's take a look at this other one here. Here we have the same starting shape, but it says use a scale factor of 0.5 or 1/2. So if you're going to have a reduction if you have a scale factor with a number less than 1. So here we have, in other words, a fraction. So here we have 0.5 or 1/2. So if we multiply this by 1/2 or by 0.5, then we get to 1. And if we multiply this side by 0.5 or 1/2, then we also get to 1. So I'll put that in the right spot since I'm going to have it there anyway. So 1 by 1, and that's our square. That's all there is to it. I hope this video helps you understand scale factor a little bit better as we get into it more and more. But keep in mind, this was going from the original to an image. If you're talking about the image to the original, you can talk about this being the image, right? And you say, oh, I used a scale factor of 2 to get here. Then you just have to go backwards. And like I said before we're always multiplying to go from the original, which I'll talk about a little bit more in the next one, original times the factor equals the image. Well, guess what? If you're going backwards, opposite of multiplication is division. So we go backwards. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 1 divided by 1/2 or divided by 0.5 equals 2 over here, right? So that is scale factor. I hope this video helps you understand scale factor a little bit better, and good luck.